Hello, my dear. Do you want to attract more money in your life? Have you ever wondered why you don't have the money that you want or why you're not financially stable? Many of us struggle with our finances, and often it's because of our own energy frequency. And that is our memories, our beliefs that is actually holding us back. You see, our thoughts and memories can influence how much money we attract or repel. If we have clear and positive thoughts about money, we can invite a lot of money into our lives. But if we have negative memories and beliefs, they can form an energy frequency that sends the wrong signal to the universe. So what can we do to change this? The key is to clear away all the negative memories and the beliefs. By focusing on the positive affirmations and connecting with the divine, we can actually shift our energies and attract a lot of abundance in our lives. One powerful way to do this is through a healing prayer, and this prayer helps us clear the negative memories and beliefs around money. As we clean them, we can create a lot of space for abundance to flow naturally into our lives. So now I want you to think about your current financial situation. What are the negative emotions or the thoughts that you're feeling right now? Notice them, and then let's turn them over to the divine. Let's begin the money healing prayer together. Dear Divine, I love you for providing me with all that I need. I know and I trust that you, being my creator, have always done the best for me. I love you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to transform my financial conditions. I love you for blessing me always. Today, whatever I have is only because of your love towards me. So today, I want to declare my unconditional supreme love towards you. I now know and believe that I am always taken care of. I love you, my universe, my God, my father, my mother, my creator, my everything. I am sorry for not being aware of whatever it is that is standing in my way and blocking my success and my growth. I am sorry for being so restless about money sometimes. I am sorry for not having this unconditional faith and trust in you, even though all my life I have got whatever I needed. I am sorry for not taking responsibility for my own life and for my own financial situations. I am sorry for always being so impatient in my life, my God. Please forgive me. Please forgive me for not being aware of my responsibilities. Please forgive me for not being grateful even when my life has been good. Please forgive me for feeling so restless all the time about my future goals and my future desires. Thank you for cleaning away all the unwanted energies that is blocking me from living the life of fulfillment, joy and abundance. Thank you, dear God. Thank you for giving me the ability to be my best whenever I think about money. From now on, I trust you, and I now know that I am always looked after by my Father, my universe. So from now on, I choose to feel relaxed at every given point of time. I am the energy queen or the king, and I understand that it is only my feelings that is attracting everything in my life. I love you, Divine. Thank you. Please forgive me. I am sorry. Thank you so much for joining this money healing prayer. Come back to this prayer daily for the next 21 days to heal your relationship with money and attract abundance in your beautiful life.